Hello and welcome, fellow language enthusiasts. I'm thrilled to have you join me on this exciting journey through the world of language learning. My name is David, and I'm your guide through this captivating adventure about languages. There's something magical about the way they connect us, break down barriers, and open doors to new cultures and experiences. We'll be exploring the richness of the English language, from mastering grammar intricacies to expanding our vocabulary, pronunciation, and understanding idiomatic expressions. We're delving into it all, incorporating various teaching methods, interactive exercises, visual aids, and even some exciting challenges to make learning English not only effective but also fun. And even suggestions in the comments section below. This journey is about us learning together, growing together. So, whether you're a beginner eager to start your linguistic journey, or an advanced learner looking to refine your skills, there's something here for everyone. Thank you for being here. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on notifications, so you never miss out on our language learning adventures together. Language enthusiasts. Enthusiasts means a person who is very interested in and involved with a particular subject or activity. Example sentence: Sarah is a book enthusiast who spends hours reading every day. I'm thrilled to have you join me on this exciting journey through the world of language learning. Thrilled means very excited. Example sentence: They were thrilled to hear about their upcoming vacation plans. My name is David, and I'm your guide through this captivating adventure. Guide means a person whose job is showing a place or a particular route. Example sentence: The experienced hiker served as their guide on the mountain trail. Throughout this series, we'll be exploring the richness of the English language. Exploring means to investigate, study, or analyze. Example sentence: The researchers were exploring new methods to solve the problem. We'll be delving into the richness of the English language. Richness means the quality or state of being rich, valuable, or abundant. Example sentence: The richness of her storytelling captivated the audience. Let's make learning English not only effective but also fun. Effective means successful in producing a desired or intended result. Example sentence: Using mnemonic devices can make studying more effective. Your active participation is key. Participation means the act of taking part or involvement. Example sentence: Team sports encourage teamwork and active participation. Learning a language is an adventure waiting to be explored. Adventure means an exciting or unusual experience. Example sentence: Traveling to new countries is always an adventure. Don't forget to turn on notifications. Notification means a message or update sent to a device. Example sentence: She received notification for every new email in her inbox.